Danni, Tjokko, happy family, fun time, power jam band. Baby, 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 don't leave me. Ooh, please don't leave me all by myself. Ooh, I got this burning, burning yearning feeling inside me. Ooh, deep inside of me, and it hurts so bad, baby, baby. Ooh, you came into my heart so tenderly. Oh, I couldn't know, baby, that stings like a bee, baby, baby. Ooh, now that I surrender so helplessly. Ooh, now you wanna leave me, baby. Oh, you wanna leave me, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Where did our love go? Ooh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me no more, baby, baby? Ooh. Where did our love go? Oh, and all your promises, baby, all below forevermore, baby. Ooh, I got it burning, burning, yearning, feeling inside me. Ooh, deep inside me, and it hurts so bad, baby, baby. Ooh, before you won my heart, you were a perfect guy, but now you got me, baby. You wanna leave me behind, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, 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 don't leave me. Ooh, please don't leave me, baby, all by myself, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, gotta look on.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of the Danni, Tjokko Happy Family Fun Time Band. We have big news. Ringo Starr is in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, there's a concert tonight. It's strange, it's on.
Yeah, we only just saw it on Facebook.
Yeah.
$117 per person. And do you want to go?
Yeah, I want to go see Ringo Starr.
Okay, then go.
That would be awesome. But
There you go.
I don't know if I want to spend the money.
Babe.
Well, we're going to research this after the show.
Yeah, none of this I ain't got no money nonsense. We are very abundant. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You can go. And I have a seminar tonight, so I can stay at home with Willow.
All right. Let's go to the birthday children.
Yes.
Children's is Sophie Henriksen. No, Henriksson. She was my diving instructor in Turkey.
Oh.
Oh. Happy
Cool.
birthday, Sophie.
Happy birthday.
I mean, I haven't met her since.
Yeah.
It's like 4
Does
years
she live
ago.
in Turkey?
Yeah, I think she lives there still, and she's a diving instructor.
Yeah. Nice.
She's from Sweden.
Okay. I was confused a little bit by the song.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I thought it was sand, but yeah. Anyway, Jón Vilberg, he's a painter. Þorvarður Gísli, Þorri, he's a múrari. What is that? He has like does like concrete work. Mjöll Jónsdóttir, we are mutual friends. I met her a long time. Jón Erlends, Breiðholt, represent. It's so hard to do this when I have this guitar. We were in class together from 9-year-old till 14. All right.
Happy
That's
birthday,
it.
all
Happy
of you.
birthday, everybody.
Have some fun tonight. If you have the chance to see Ringo Starr tonight, go and do it. That's all I'm saying.
The song that we started the episode with,
Yeah.
Where Did Our Love Go?
By
This is the
Supremes.
first song that the Supremes made famous.
Okay,
This
so
is
they
their-
got famous because of this song.
Yeah, this is their first hit. We've been watching Motown movies
Yeah, we've been watching a documentaries
about Motown.
about Motown, the label, not to be confused with the genre, because I always thought it was a genre. I didn't realize it was just a label, and that's why they call it Motown. It was interesting to see.
Great documentaries.
Yeah.
What was it called, the one that we watched?
Standing in the Shadows of Motown.
Yeah, that's
That's
the one.
about the people, the musicians
That's about the
who
Funk
work
Brothers.
behind the scenes. Yeah. And then
And
we
they have
also
played in more number one hit records than the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, and Elvis Presley all together.
yeah.
This band is just
Yeah, because there were so many artists under the Motown label. There was so much music to be made. And I don't remember what the other one was called. So the other documentary we saw was from the point of view of the owners, the creators of Motown.
Barry Goldie and
And Smokey.
Smokey Robinson.
Barry Goldie used to work in a factory. And that's how he learned to make everything in stages. So he also applied that to the company, the Motown company. As in, the artists come in and they basically have a whole package deal for them, prepping them for stardom, really.
Yeah.
And I think it's great because when you're a starting artist, you have no clue what's going on behind the scenes or even how to deal with fame.
Yeah.
You know, like all of a sudden everyone will start recognizing you and singing your songs and you have no idea who they are. I'm assuming it must be very strange and maybe alienating at times. So it's nice to see that there's a whole team behind them.
Yeah, exactly. We also watched Rocketman.
Rocketman, yeah.
Yeah, the Elton John movie.
Yeah, I liked it. I
Yeah.
like how it was set up as a musical
Yeah.
rather than, oh, here are some songs that Elton sang.
And this was, of course, another bio movie about a guy great musician, who does drugs. But he's not dead yet, so
He's not dead yet.
that's the only difference about this bio movie, music bio movie that we have watched. We have watched Hank Williams, who was the drunk and died early age, right?
Yeah.
I mean, Bohemian Rhapsody, dead.
And then
Everybody's
we saw
dead.
so many
And-
jazz artists just getting into heroin and all that.
Oh yeah, we have watched the jazz documentaries, like 10 episodes. All the jazz musicians,
Not all of them.
no, not all of them.
A lot of them just get into drugs and
I think they talked about 2 jazz musicians that were not in drugs.
did they talk about them?
Yeah, and they talked specially about it in the series that we were
Really?
watching. Yeah, I don't remember.
Who were they? The ones who didn't do drugs?
It was a trumpet player, I can't remember his name.
It's been a while since we watched it. And other news, our friend Michelle is also in town. So it's
Yeah.
not just Ringo Starr. We met her last year when we were here in Pittsburgh. Her baby, Lily, well, she's not a baby anymore. She's a toddler like Willow. They're just a few months apart.
Yeah.
So we have talked about them before. Lily also had cornea transplants on both eyes. And so now they're back in town for a VEP. You remember what it is?
Yeah, visual evoke potential.
Nice! We did it! We finally remembered it.
So Willow is going to meet a child for the first time in more than 3 months.
In a very long time. Yeah,
Yeah, probably
more
4
than 3
months.
months. Yeah.
We haven't met anybody. I mean, we went to visit Algeir and Anna-Greta.
Yeah. The youngest of their children is 8.
Yeah, something like that.
Exactly. Yeah, so it'll be fun to for her to meet another blind baby, toddler. And Lily also has the superhero cape. And Michelle has told me she brought the cape and it's a goal of her to have a picture of Willow and Lily in their capes. So that'll be a fun photo shoot if they will allow it. Jason is also with them, that's Lily's dad. And they will be here for a week. So more on that next week, I guess. The weather here has been super nice.
It's
lately.
just been Baaaand weather here.
Yeah.
Bongo blida.
Mallorca weather. We've taken Willow out to the park. The swings are still not available to this day, but we've been letting Willow play in the grass.
Yeah, we went to his park and we met 4 people there, kind of. There came an old lady with the cutest dog,
Such a cute little fluffy puppy. It was adorable.
super cute.
And his name was Buddy. That was so cute to
Buddy,
us.
come here, buddy.
Last year when we went to see Johnny Highland, they have 2 dogs, but one of their dogs was called Buddy, and he would just be so happy to see little Buddy, and he would go, Buddy boy!
Oh, buddy boy.
And then this lady in the park came with her dog, and it was also called Buddy. So here's an idea that I had. If we ever get a dog and it's a male dog, I'm naming it Buddy.
Oh, buddy boy.
Buddy boy! Aw. And those other 3 people who were also in the park also
Yeah.
had 2 dogs. And apparently dogs are obsessed with babies. They just wanted to come and play with Willow.
And it was nice to go with her to the park to let her sit in the grass and feel the grass because we haven't done that much.
Yeah, it's been a while since
And we
she's
were
done
we
that.
were talking to Willow's physicist and advisor, right?
Yeah.
And they mentioned this. Is there anywhere where you can go where there's grass?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to do that. So
Exactly.
this is in our routine now.
Yeah, we're even teaching her to hug trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was very uncomfortable around the grass that is close to the trees. It was very stiff and hard.
Hard
grass.
layer under.
Yeah. But the moment we moved away from the tree and there was like clover and all kinds of little flowers in the grass, that's much, much softer. She just loved it. So maybe we can take Michelle, Jason, and Lily to the park with us and they can all play in the grass.
Yay!
Yay. What are you going to sing for us now?
Follow me.
That was hard. All right.
That's right.
You don't know how you met me, you don't know why you can't turn around and say goodbye. Oh, you know it's when I'm with you, I make you free and swim through your waves like fish in the sea. I'm singing for me and everything is alright. I'll be the one who tuck you in at night, and if you wanna leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. I'm not worried about the ring you wear, 'cause as long as no one knows, then nobody cares. You're feeling guilty and I'm well aware, but you don't look ashamed, baby, and I'm not scared. I'm singing, follow me and everything is alright. I'll be the one to take you in at night, and if you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. Won't give me money, I can't give you the sky. You're better off if you don't ask why. I'm not the reason that you go astray. We'll be alright if you don't ask me to stay. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night, and if you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. You don't know how you met me, you don't know why you can't turn around and say goodbye. Oh, you know it's when I'm with you, I make you free and swim through your waves like fish in the sea. I'm singing, follow me and everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night, and if you wanna leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. I'm singing, follow me and everything is like me.
Another very sudden end. It's like last week. I'm having a flashback. You know what I was gonna say?
No.
No, you don't know. Because here it is. I'm gonna say it right now.
Okay.
If you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me. But I kind of feel that's kind of the point, right? If somebody wants to leave, it's because they don't want to be around someone like you. I'm thinking. So, what is that all about? Why do people say that? Oh, you will never find anyone like me.
Yeah, I'm so great.
Good. Yeah, good. Bye.
Yeah, this is the problem with pop lyrics. It's all about, oh, I will do anything for you and you're so great. It's nothing like real life is. Nothing at all. It's all just fantasies.
That's true, and the same goes for that Supreme song you sang.
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
please don't leave me and all that. Never ever beg anyone to stay with you. Don't do that. Respect yourself. Okay, if they want to go, then go. This is the world we live in. People are raised by these movies and this music, and they feel like this is what love is, but it is not. Not absolutely not. I can talk hours about this. I'm not gonna, but I will come back to this subject for sure. This will be talked about
we have
again.
to talk about this.
We will. Anyway, that is it for today. Unless if you have something to add.
I'm good.
You're good?
Yep.
We're all good. All right. Thank you for watching, and hopefully until next week.
Yep.
Bye.